We are going to integrate sine of ln x. Oh my god, this question looks really crazy, right? It is very crazy in the x world, but once we take this integral into the u world, we will know what to do. Let's take a look. I'm going to let u equals to the inside function as usual, ln x. So let me do it on the side right here. So I will write down let u equals to ln x, and then immediately I will differentiate both sides. Du will be the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x dx. But then I have to isolate the dx. Let's look at this. Let me multiply the x on both sides. So I get dx by itself equals to x times du. Like this. Alright, so let's see what we get. This is the same as integrating sine of the inside now, ln x is the u, so that's good. But then, the dx, if you look at here, dx is x times du. And right here, we don't have like 1 over x. There's nothing I can cancel with that x, right? So it's too bad. But I'm going to refer back to the u equation. U is ln x. So what we can do is, we can do e to the power, exponentiate both sides. So we can say this is the same as saying e to the u equals to e to the ln x is just the same as x. If you have u equals to ln x, then we know x is the same as e to the u. That's the convergence between logarithms and exponential. So this x, it's the same as e to the u in the u world. Let me write this down. Dx, it will be e to the u du. And this is what I'm going to take to putting right here. Dx is e to the u du. Okay? And then I would like to just change this into the usual form first. We like to have the exponential part, like the e to the u in front of the sine or cosine. So let me do that. This is the same as integrating e to the u sine u du in the u world. This is an integral that can be done with the integration by parts. And then I have a link down below in the description. Check that out. Here, I would just like to put down the answer for you guys. Integrating e to the u sine u du, we will end up with negative 1/2 e to the u cosine u, and then we will have plus 1/2 e to the u sine u. Okay? But then we are not done yet, even though this is the answer for that, because this expression is still in the u world. We have to take them back into the reality x world, right? So let's see. We will have negative 1/2 e to the u. Let's refer back. E to the u, it's just x. So we have x right here. And then cosine u, we will have cosine. U is the ln x that we mentioned it earlier. And then we'll continue. We put a plus 1/2. E to the u is the x. So we have x right here. And then sine of u, which is once again ln x. And then we are done. So I'll put down a plus c at the end. This is the answer to that. That's it.